Xiaomi may have just made one of the smartest moves in tech history. If you're thinking about buying smart glasses in 2025, you definitely want to hear this. While the world is still focused on Meta's Ray-Ban collaboration and shelling out cash for expensive alternatives, Xiaomi quietly released something that's shaking up the industry. And in the best possible way, we're talking about smart glasses that cost less than half of what Meta charges, yet somehow manage to be lighter, smarter, and actually useful for daily life. And here's the kicker. Most people don't even know they exist. What you're about to learn might save you a ton of money and help you get better tech in return. Now, don't get me wrong. These aren't perfect. There are downsides too, and I'll cover those shortly. But first, let's talk about what these glasses offer. Both the pros and the cons, so you can decide whether they're right for you. Before we jump in, IVA dropped the best deals and links for all the smart glasses mentioned in this video down in the description. Now let's get into the good stuff. When Xiaomi's CEO unveiled these glasses, it wasn't just another product launch. It was a clear signal that Xiaomi was challenging the entire smart glasses industry. They tackled every complaint users have had with other products. Heavyweight solved. Weak battery life, fixed. Gimmicky AI, right. Reimagined. The genius behind this is that instead of overloading their glasses with features no one uses, Xiaomi focused on perfecting the few things people actually want. Let's start with the camera, because it's seriously impressive. You're getting a 12MP sensor with a wide aperture, capable of 2K video recording. But what makes it smart is that it records in a 4:3 format. It's allowing you to crop either 16:9 or 9:16 footage from a single take. That means one recording gives you content for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. No need to reshoot. Stabilization is surprisingly effective. One user wore them daily for 3 weeks and said footage stayed steady while walking. Sure, there's some shake when turning your head quickly, but even action cams struggle with that. Recording is intuitive. One tap for photos, a long press for videos, no fumbling with your phone, no missing moments. Whether you're driving, cooking, or just living life, these act like your personal hands-free camera crew. That said, these aren't AR glasses. There's no display or visual overlay. They're focused purely on audio and camera. About the AI. Xiaomi made a smart move by offloading most of the processing to your phone instead of stuffing everything into the glasses. This means better performance and longer battery life. A win-win. They connect with Xiaomi's HyperOS AI assistant and can integrate with services like ChatGPT through your phone. So you can talk to AI while walking, exercising, doing chores, with 5 microphones for voice input and dual speakers for output. The translation feature works decently, though there's some delay in mixed accuracy. Still, it's useful for basic needs. Visual recognition is where things get more exciting. Just look at an object, ask what it is, and the glasses snap a photo, analyze it, and describe it. For visually impaired users, this could be revolutionary. Comfort is another major win. At just 40 grams, these are way lighter than most smart glasses. Even with prescription lenses, the weight stays manageable around 54 grams. Still lighter than Ray-Ban Metas? Design-wise, they nailed it. The frames were shaped to fit Asian facial structures better, but the square shape suits many face types. The semi-transparent frames look techy, but not flashy, so you won't feel like you're wearing a sci-fi prop. And here's a bonus most people don't talk about. The nose bridge. It doesn't pinch. That pressure point discomfort from heavy glasses. Gone. Xiaomi engineered this out, and the result is all-day comfort. As for sound, the open-ear speaker system seems to use bone conduction tech, so you get clear audio without blocking out your surroundings.